and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm attempting to roast coffee with wood. So I've originally built this roaster to smoke roast the coffee, getting the heat from the barbecue. Well, long story short, wasn't really doing what I needed it to do. So I moved the wood from over there to up here. Put a little infrastructure in there to kind of support it a bit and keep it contained. I might have waited too long. I literally had the temperature, I closed the lid and the temperature went right up to 500. And then I went and got the beans. And now it's not going right up to 500. It's going up. The wind kicked up even more, started dropping the temperature hardcore. So I just snatched the beans out of there and rebuilt my fire. I'm gonna get my fire hot again and then put the beans in at the right moment. Now I'm getting somewhere. This is what we want. We're getting a little hotter than we want. Just let some of that out. So the roast has been going longer than I would like it to have gone. I had a really high temperature for a long time. It started cracking super unevenly. So I had to pull it out, literally different zones in the cylinder were cracking off and the others weren't even near. So I pulled it out, shook it up, put it back in, got it back up to temperature, which is right about the right time for a good temperature drop hold to caramelize the beans a little bit. But it's just taking longer. It's hard to, my other roaster is 10 minutes-ish, but it's only this much beans, a little tiny bit, right? And this is 15 pounds or something like that, right? And so it should take a little longer, but a little, not hugely. It's supposed to take so much time total for a roast, regardless of the size of the bean or the amount of the beans, right? So hopefully they're going to be done real soon and going to be nice, hopefully. Ghetto cooling table. Woo! Super hot. It's a very nice roast. Of problems, but pretty much looks like it nailed it. I think this is the best roast I've got out of that roaster yet. I will taste it tomorrow and we will see if it is good. Like, subscribe, and have a great day. Peace.